Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful trading strategy that you've probably seen floating around the internet, the Parabolic SAR strategy. I'm going to test this strategy using Freqtrade, an awesome open source algorithmic trading bot. If you're looking to learn Freqtrade, the tutorial link is in the description below. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the Parabolic SAR strategy. The Parabolic SAR is an indicator that helps identify potential reversals in the market. It's useful for spotting trend direction and timing entries. Let's add this indicator to our chart. Simply search for SAR in your indicator list, and we'll keep the default settings. For better visibility, let's customize the style. Change the color to white and set the marker shape to circle. It's very easy to spot the Parabolic SAR indicator on a trading chart. It appears as a series of dots above or below the price bars. The key element with the Parabolic SAR is recognizing when the dots cross over the price. When this happens, it's considered a sign of a potential reversal, giving us a possible buy or sell signal. When the Parabolic SAR dots are below the price, it suggests the asset is in an uptrend. When the Parabolic SAR dots are above the price, it signifies a downtrend. However, we don't rely solely on the Parabolic SAR because it can produce false signals on its own. That's why we're going to combine it with the RSI, Relative Strength Index indicator, for better confirmation. Let's add the RSI to our chart. We'll keep the default settings for now, but we'll also set the RSI upper band to 65 and the RSI lower band to 45. This combination with the Parabolic SAR will help filter out false signals, improving our accuracy. Now, here's how we use the RSI in conjunction with the Parabolic SAR. When the Parabolic SAR shows a possible uptrend reversal, wait for the RSI to cross above 65 before entering a long position. This confirms strong bullish momentum, reducing the chances of entering too early. To make sure we're in alignment with the long-term trend, we'll also add the 200 EMA to our chart. We'll only enter a long position when the closing price is above the 200 EMA. This ensures we're trading with the trend, not against it. So, for long trades, we'll enter when the price is above the long-term 200 EMA. The price is above the Parabolic SAR. We wait for the RSI to cross above 65, confirming strong bullish momentum. Additionally, we'll use a fixed stop loss of 3% and a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2, meaning our take profit will be set at 6%. For short trades, the conditions are essentially the same but flipped. Here's what we're looking for. 1. The price is below the long-term 200 EMA, confirming a bearish trend. 2. The price is below the Parabolic SAR. 3. We wait for the RSI to cross below 45, signaling strong bearish momentum. We'll also use the same risk management approach, a fixed stop loss of 3%, and a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2, meaning our take profit is set at 6%. Now that we've covered the strategy, let's move on to the optimization phase. For this, we'll focus on a 30-minute time frame. This strikes a balance between capturing enough trades for meaningful backtesting, while keeping a close eye on market dynamics. We'll conduct backtests over an 8-month in-sample period. This data helps us fine-tune the strategy. To avoid overfitting, we'll also validate with 4 months of out-of-sample data the strategy hasn't seen. This ensures that our approach performs well on fresh, unseen data, boosting confidence in its real-world applicability. For optimization, we'll test a range of parameter values for key indicators. RSI upper threshold, 55, 60, 65. RSI lower threshold, 45, 40, 35. RSI length, 7, 14, 28. Stop loss, from 1% to 5%. Risk ratio 1, 1.5, comma, and 2. These variations will help us identify the best performing combination for our strategy. To make this process efficient, we'll use Freqtrade's HyperOpt feature. HyperOpt systematically tests all parameter combinations to pinpoint the optimal settings, saving us time while maximizing effectiveness. Now, with everything ready, let's dive into the backtest and see how the optimized setup performs. We'll be trading on GRT USDT for this strategy. After completing the optimization, we found the best settings that delivered the strongest results. First, the EMA length was set to 200 ensuring we're aligned with the long-term trend. For the risk ratio, we use 2, which balances risk and reward effectively. The RSI length was set to 14, and we adjusted the RSI lower threshold to 45 and the RSI upper threshold to 65 to filter out any false signals. Lastly, we set a stop loss at 3% to protect our capital. With these optimized parameters, let's dive into the backtesting results. Over the course of a 1-year backtesting period, we started with a balance of 1,000 USDT, and by the end, our balance had grown to 5,218 USDT, delivering a total profit of 421%. This is a solid performance, and it shows how well the strategy worked with these settings. The Sharpe ratio came in at 1.76, which is a great risk-adjusted return. This tells us the strategy is not only profitable, but also well-suited for handling volatility. Additionally, the max drawdown was just 9%, meaning it managed risk efficiently without large setbacks. Looking at the cumulative profit graph, you can see a smooth and steady upward trend, indicating that this strategy is consistent over time and would likely perform well in live trading. If you're interested in testing this strategy yourself, I've made the strategy code and configuration available for download. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you have the strategy set up, you can easily import the chart for further research and visualization. This will help you analyze the results and refine your approach. Feel free to modify the settings to experiment with different cryptocurrencies, timeframes, or leverage levels based on your trading style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video on WhatsApp, Facebook, or Twitter to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.